welcome back. So, on the last video, we figured out that 21 is a composite number because 21 has four factors: 1, 3, 7, and 21. All right. And basically, we remember that there can't be even factors for an odd number. And then we tested 5 after 3, and 5 wouldn't make it. And then we got back to 7 because our next odd number after 5 is 7. So that kind of tells us that there's no more factors. All right. It's kind of a cool trick. So one of the reasons why you can use a factor tree and why I show the arrow is once you get to this number, then you're done. All right. So once after 5, our next factor would have been 7 on this list. And since 7 is already on our list, we were done. All right, so let's try 39. And I will tell you right now, 39 is like one of the like tricky test makers' favorite numbers. All right, the reason why is because 39, oh my gosh, does it ever look like it is a candidate for being a prime number? But to be honest, it is not a prime number. If you think about it. All right, and this one's not obvious. 1 in 39 is obvious. 1 times anything makes the number, so 1 times itself, right? But the one that's not obvious, remember, it's an odd number, so there's no even factor, so 2 is not going to work, so I'm not even going to try 2. But 3 groups of 13 does make 39, all right? If you don't remember, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 1 is 3, so there's 39. Right? Now, you never learned your 13's facts because no one ever asked you to, so this is the first number outside of normal multiplication facts that, is pretty small, but not a lot of people remember. So, there you go. You will see this one again. I'm almost positive because they use it so much. All right, so 39 is indeed a composite number. No matter how prime it looks, it does have 4 factors: 1, 3, 13, and 39. All right, so we can move on. You notice they didn't give us any even numbers? Remember, every single even number besides the number 2 is composite. So if you just see an even number besides the number 2, you know it's composite right away. That's probably why they're not asking you whether these are prime or composite. But, or why they didn't include any even numbers, because you would have been able to tell that they were composite immediately, right? All right, so we've worked through 21. 21 was composite. 39 is also composite. Now let's try 57. All right. This one is actually going to be a little tougher. All right. Because as odd as it may seem, 57 is indeed a composite number. All right. Now, we're going to have to find out what number makes 57 work, all right? But we know it's not going to be any even numbers, so we don't have to try any even numbers, so that's cool. But we will have to try 3, all right? Can we split 57 into 3 even groups, all right? Now, if you think about it, 57 is 3 off from 60, all right? So if 57 is 3 off from 60, that means 57 plus 3 equals 60. So I'm almost positive that you can make 57 with 3. All right. And in fact, let's try by dividing 57 by 3. So 3 goes into 5 one time. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring down 7. 3 goes into 27. Oh, 9 times evenly, which is 27. So yeah, 3 times 19 would also make 57. Good news is we don't have to find any number that is bigger than 19, because we found out that there's no numbers between 19 and 57, but we do have to try some more odd numbers. So let's just try 5. Haha, we know 5's not going to work. Remember, all factors of 5 will end in 0 or 5.